How's it going, guys? Back again. Got another one of these Dollar General cans, the Salamance. Get these at Dollar General. I think they're made for exactly for Dollar General. 10 TCG mini packs, 16, 3 cards. And then the Salamance in there. Alright, let's open up, see what we can get. Open up one of these the other day, the Dollar General ones. Here's the Salamance card. I like these promo cards because it's about the only way. Well, this one ain't a promo card. This is actually a regular card. But I do like promo cards. Because once they stop selling the 10s, getting them out of 10s, you can't find them no more. So, well, here we go. There's the code card for you guys. It looks like the pack selection is going to be same as my last one. Alright. Lost Thunder, Cosmic Clips, and 2 Evolutions. I think it was the same as last time. Those are 2. There's a lot of Cosmic Clips in there. So I got 6 Cosmic Clips, 2 Lost Thunder, and Evolutions. We'll do Lost Thunder, Cosmic Clips, then we'll do Evolutions last. Alright, here we go. Last 10 wasn't the best. For the price of this stuff, $10 for 10 packs. I know it's only 3 cards, but all you really need to do is pull about 1 Ultra or something. So, nothing in that one. Well, there was a rare Steelix, so. Alright, next pack. Spinarak, Poplio, and a Hitmontop. Alright. Now we go to the Cosmic Eclipse. Kani, Rowlet, and a Hakamo. Hakamo. These things got like the long stem pack. I don't know why they make them long stem. I guess some were made for hangers. So. Galurk, Rare, and Mawile. Alright, got a Lohengrimer, Golett, Reverse, and another Hakamo. Alright. No ultra rares out of this stuff. Now, I have pulled ultra rares out of stuff, so it's not like you can't get them. They are in here. Flip Flop and Energy. Looks like 4 packs left. 2 more Cosmic Clips and 1 more Evolution. Alright. Pig, Sunflower, that's a rare. Reverse Hollow, but nothing really special out of it. Let's see, 3 packs to go. If we want to hit something, I'd probably rather have it out of Evolutions, but I wouldn't mind hitting anything really. There's a Payard, Reverse, and Thral. and a Passimian. Alright, here we got the 2 evolutions. Alright. The Growlithe, the Machop, and a Trainer Venusaur Spirit Link. Alright, last pack. Nice little Vulpix there. Vulpix, Eradicate, that's a rare, and a Misty's Determination trainer. So, not much out of that. For $10, I guess you can't really beat it. Alright guys, appreciate it. I'll see y'all next time. Later.